Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel Meta Verified Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Meta Verified is super useful as it means you can go and get the blue tick amongst other awesome features as well. But if you no longer want it, then you can go and cancel and you'll stop paying for it. So to go and do this, come to your profile page, click on the three lines in the top right. Go to the top and you'll see the section Your Account, and click on Account Center. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down here into Account Settings and find Meta Verified. As I don't have Meta Verified subscription, that's why it is showing that your profile is verified. But if you have Meta Verified subscription, it will look like this. Simply tap on Meta Verified. This will go and take a few seconds to go and load. Now you go scroll through here. You see your benefits. To go and cancel it though, click on Manage Subscription. Once again, it will take a few seconds to load, and at the bottom, you then got the option for Unsubscribe. So you can go and click there. You may get offered an offer. In this case, I just want to cancel it, so I'll click on No Thanks. I'm then brought straight to the App Store. Here I can go and click on it, and I can then click on Cancel Subscription and confirm my decision. So that's basically how you can cancel Meta Verified Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.